In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 7.4, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Next, we talk about the boundaries of this hotel, so you can see on the screen.
All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several tools and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
Stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.